Hello everyone, in this video, I'll guide you through the process of easily finding and recovering deleted photos on your iPhone. Stay tuned till the end to avoid any mistakes. First, start by opening the Photos app on your iPhone. I'll delete a photo to demonstrate the process. Deleted photos aren't permanently gone. Tap on Albums at the bottom and scroll down. Find Recently Deleted. This album contains photos deleted in the last 30 days. To recover a photo, long press on it and tap Recover. The photo will be restored to your main photo library. Select Multiple Photos. Tap the three dots at the top and then tap Recover. Recovered items will return to your main photo library. If you want to permanently delete a photo before the 30-day period, long press on it, tap Delete, and select Delete from all devices. And there you have it. If this video was helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more useful tips, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.